Best Pool Pump 2022. Hey everyone, hope you guys are fine and doing well. So, guys, here I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share a list of the best pool pumps 2022. So, without any delay, let's start with this list. And yes, if you like this video, then do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And also do subscribe to the channel for future videos. Now, without any delay, let's have a look at this first option. And let's see what we have at this option. Number 1. Hayward Maxwell VS Pool Pump. Here we have one of the best pool pumps that you can have at your place. The Hayward Maxwell VS pump provides 1.65 HP with 8 distinct velocity settings. This VS pump is whisper quiet and is derived with an integrated timer. You can set an agenda to run at any time of the day or night. Each agenda has a delegated velocity, permitting you to apply computerized vacuum cleaners and water functions without lifting a finger. Another extraordinary function of this VS pump is that it saves as much as 80% of energy. Like maximum variable speed pumps, this one makes use of unique earth magnets to preserve a consistent energy flow. You do not need to tense for overworking the capacitor or using the motor on the ground. It additionally vibrates a lot less than single-pace pumps. One of my favorite components of this pump is the prolonged lid handles. You do not want equipment or gloves to open the pump. The handles factor with inside the beginning direction, letting you pry it open easily. Remove the lid to expose the basket that includes an integrated wearing handle. This bundle additionally consists of the union, making it equipped to put in immediately. The Hayward Maxwell VS pump is one of the excellent pumps available in the marketplace in nearly every category. It's an extremely good preference for an extensive variety of pools, and it is smooth to apply for humans of all standard levels. With 4 inner speeds and 4 button-operated speeds, it is as customizable as it gets. So, this is all about this option. Now let's move towards the next slot, and let's see what we have at this next slot. Number 2. Extreme Power US In-Ground VS Pump. Here we have another best pool pump that you can place in your area or at any other place. The Extreme Power US In-Ground VS Pump is evidence that you do not need to spend an arm and a leg on a variable speed pump. Although it would not include a high seas emblem name, this pump boasts over 5,000 gallons, consistent with an hour with a 2 HP motor. It's air-cooled to save you overheating and loud bearing rotations. These pumps consist of unions to deal with in-ground pools and spas. They offer extra than sufficient energy for pool spa combos, too. It operates as a 2-pace pump with a high and LOW option. However, it offers comparable power savings and operates similarly to a conventional variable pace pump. Those who do not need to manage programmable timers and virtual screens will experience this pump. The low-profile motor may not disrupt the plumbing setup, and it plugs now right into a wall-installed pool timer. You can twine it immediately to the identical timer as your vintage pump. Feel relaxed to apply it at the timer or function it manually. So, this is all about this option. If you want to know more about any shared options, you can check out the links given in the description box. Now, let's move to the next slot, and let's see what we have at this next option. Number 3. Hayward TriStar Pool Pump. Here we have another best pool pump option that you can install in a good price range. This one is considered best for big swimming pools such as in resorts or other outdoor areas. The Hayward TriStar Pool Pump is my all-time exceptional in-ground pump for big swimming pools. It has a large 2.7 HP motor that can deal with over 30,000 gallons of water, all because of the variable velocity settings. You can crank it as much as 3,450 RPM to offer energy to vacuums, water features, and more. Another factor is the TriStar is one of these incredible preferences is that it saves as much as 90% of power annually. You can connect this VS pump to the modern pump's wires to save you prolonged setup times. There's no requirement for an electrician in case you recognize how to show off the circuit breaker. Eliminate 3 wires and join them to the shaded nodes on the brand new pump's motor. The TriStar comes with 4 integrated settings and 4 button-operated settings. Each of those alternatives is programmable to run on the preferred time and velocity. Furthermore, it consists of a completely unique quick clean mode that permits you to clear the pool right earlier than a hectic pool party. You can also use it to unexpectedly dispose of algae and leaves from the water. So, this is all about this option. Now let's have a look at the next slot, and let's see what we have at this option. Number 4. Pentair Superflow VS Pump. Here we have another best pool pump that you can easily install or use at your place. The Pentair Superflow VS Pump is one of my preferred pumps for in-ground pools. It's the high-quality variable velocity pump accessible for lots of reasons, which include the 80% power savings and entire screen control. It consists of more than one integrated speed and timer, together with a date and time display screen. You can select among a 12-hour mode or a 24-hour mode. Perhaps one of the first-rate functions is the accurate display. Those who have not used VS pumps will experience Superflow's user-pleasant interface. There are only a few buttons, all of which give foremost control. You can fast cycle via the time, velocity, duration, and watt intake with the menu button on the display. This pump additionally consists of a non-compulsory bolted base. The base platform limits vibrations and stops the pump from cracking in the course of an earthquake. You can use cement bolts to stable the pump's motor to the ground. I exceptionally suggest using the base, whether or not no longer operate bolts. It's really well worth lowering the noise output. So, this is all about the best pool pump 2022. I'm sure you have liked all the shared options. If yes, then do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel for other exciting videos. Here I'm going to wrap up this video. We'll see you soon at the next time. Till do watch our all-exciting videos. Furthermore, if you are interested to get more information about these shared options, then you can check out the links given in the description box for that details.